What a shame. What a shame. Hell. Mm-mm. God, I beg you. Not let me go dey support. Who go dey use their shame and disgrace till they cover my face. Wagiti on a shame and disgrace in Anya. Huh? My people. They call on a shame and disgrace of Monica. They call on a high munena. Thanks for joining on a good evening. Please, as you are joining, help me to share ads, okay? Share ads and give the video love and like. They call on a moon shame and disgrace in. No one like Monica Gbena. Amazing people. Edo tetawe ovio guoma. Esi omayiko. Ore Monica na iluga ena. All in the name of Pepe de. All in the name of make them know say I don't arrive. All in the name of make them know say na me be me. They now we shame and disgrace and no fast or my people. Or he ogie the event. The shame and disgrace is so now. Or followers or yogi the event. Wagemini are posting my people. When they do this, they are fake happy birthday fake name celebration. Or you are born online be même no kuyan. Social media where everybody they manage. Iyan la manya fake life the yamiya. Amarion man no itemata. But based on God, no say even though mad I don't know how they talk. You understand? The way God tell they disgrace Monica, if na me be she, I for don't turn new life. I for don't turn new life, new leaf. They do new things. Where be say as she they lie, they leak. Follow her. So my amazing people, without even wasting much of your time, this post where you in front of this video, so this one na Monica fans where they claim say that they celebrate J-Boy. Monica fans where claim say that they celebrate Monica Pikin. Una see what they post. If you can read it, you read it. If you can't read it, I will also read it. Where I go screenshot this thing, before Monica go they tell them say, may they go they delete her. Now make me screenshot her. I was on the other page. Type, my lady, thanks for joining, Mama Okiro Edos. Thanks for joining. Thank you for the star, Mommy. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I think I will need to change this, my page name back. Okay, because they really confuse my people. I think I will change it back, okay? I will do it because of you guys. Because many of una go the other page. Una why azozobodo. Thank you for the star, Mama. Mama G. Thank you. One and only legit Mama Magba River. God bless you, my lady. Una they get me so amazing people. Why the lies, Monica? I go screenshot all these things because I know that they go so. He say she did left now. They call another family witch because she's useless. Who she want call witch? Who she go call witch? Now person say how much she they live fake life. All this one where she they do now. You know which way person where God take the same person go backward for life. See what our followers, our fans they post. J-Boy Football Club. Mona Lisa make a very discuss consistency for now. He say J-Boy, thank you, Mama, for the star. Thank you. He said J-Boy Football Club quietly waited for J-Boy birthday to post his contract signing update. Una here? See the way they live fake life. Today na J-Boy birthday. The answer is no. When Quirita do that video finish, I go investigate by myself. Yes. As Quirita finished the video, because when she did a live video, I just did listening. So when Quirita finished the video, now remember, so when Quirita they do that video, she mentioned something, say she don't know why Monica Pikin they answer Ambrose Ajala. I believe say now Monica now tell the company made them change the boy name. Yes. Now Monica now tell the company made them change that boy name because that boy not the answer Ambrose Sonny. So she know that if he definitely go out, as I said, they want post for the world. Social media go see him, everybody go see him, and we go question the boy's surname. That is why Monica replaced J-Boy's name with the papa name. Because how can a son the answer a father name? Una never visit that place. Now my own different point of view, I made that array. Why Monica go change e pikin name? Why you go beg the company if na that Ambrose na be the man na born that boy? Why Monica go change her son name? If to say na Ambrose born the boy, no be Ambrose born that boy. Ambrose is just a, what did they call her? A whatever, a adopted father. Based on Nai mama come marry and oh, he's just a adopted father. Because imagine now say me now, yeah, I boom, my pikin na Dorcas Queen. Okay, Dorcas Queen. Now they call my pikin. My own name na Philo Queen. And based on we don't the answer the same name. My own name na Philo Queen. So when my own daughter now or my son go book any appointment or whatever, he will put my name there instead of our name or his papa name. The reason Monica begged the company to change that boy name is because Ambrose is not the father. No be Ambrose name they as J-boy son. And una know say that J-boy where they call that J-boy is not his real name. That J-boy so no be real name. Una they get me so that one aside. Now Monica with her fake lovers, her fake bloggers where they blog nonsense. This is how they have been spreading the whole media with lies. This is how they have been terrorizing those cyberspace with lies. If not, where will anybody just come outside and be deceiving innocent Edo people? I will call you, okay? I did online now. If I round up, I will call you. Una they get me. Where will Ambrose with his children, with his wife, all of them now don't let the same thing? See what your bloggers post. Let me read this one. He said, may I read Constant on first? He said, J-Boy Football Club quietly waited for J-Boy birthday to post his contract signing update or more. Like, I don't get it. Constant, now today be J-Boy birthday. Now today be J-Boy birthday. If that club, na club self, where we say they know their self, which company they work on Sunday? Huh? Which company they work on Sunday? Which team self, even football team? Which football team they work on Sunday? They're not the goers, they're not their family. Sunday not be family days. Something where they post yesterday. Who even know whether not go create fake accounts with that company name till they operate now? Because I mean why I said to you. Nothing will not know if you do just to say you want Pepe. Now, guys, please love and like and share the video, okay? They don't flag this video. This reality, after I saw this post where they did this reality, then I realized that now Ambrose get this blog. Okay? This reality so. Now Ambrose get this blog. Now they get this blog because everything, all the details where this blogger bring out, you know if you tell me say, now Monica call the blogger tell her, or somebody, except who they inside the house, which is Ambrose. If your computer self come out and say, now he get this blog. Even though I fed the year and say they say get blog, now I believe that now he get this reality. Now I'm gonna see what he write. Fake life people say, copied, yeah? We are delighted to announce that Ambrose Ajala has signed his first professional contract at the club. Una dey hear me so? Ambrose Ajala. Una remember say when Quirita still they analyze her just now, she also mentioned that the name where Ambrose became the answer for there is Ambrose Ajala. Maybe they go just ask, say, what it be nickname, so that they will address her with their nickname. Monica choose to use Ambrose Ajala to say he picky name na Ambrose Ajala. Based on Oyibo people, they not follow and go at those states. They not follow and there those cyber states. Say they want to investigate whether na rename or not be rename. Una they get me. He first professional contract. And few days ago, I watched video where Monica do. Monica they talk for that video say he picking, they don't sign a contract. Money where they pay, no be small money. Say the money big. And then you go to ye lekwe. And because of saying their social media, whether they craze, whether she say people, she be their mates. I can't they look and say, people say because football, I hear say they want sign, they pay maybe $50,000 as they do, they Osimhen, my people. Me can't say now that sign where they sign the Osimhen, where you hear say, Chelsea don't sign out. They pay a billion to sign out. Manchester don't sign out. They pay a trillion. They pay a trillion, my people. Me confess say now that kind signing, now Monica picking sign. I no even know say na school or na picking sign. Where he no even hear what were those cyberspace. Me can even the feel say, oh, Maybe the boy now go finally remove them for poverty. A fake life you always see you kere. At least now they don't sign the pikin, they sign Osime. Me no even know say na my pikin wan go the learn how they pass ball. And if you not behave safe, because the girls they can drop him at any time. This one now where mama don't finally come announce for those cyberspace. Everybody don't know the Oga we get the company of football. Everybody don't know the Lamine. I mean what they call him Lamide. The company where signed them. Where picking for the land boss. So everybody don't know the sponsor. Everybody don't know. Just say people know what they call those ones. They forward Monica video they give them. Amaya Sena Soboma Yasi. Now what Monica said they do people. Una sure say people no go they call that company now. They tweet where they throw away for their body. Una sure say not be suspension. They will take suspend Monica Pikin. I not wish her bad anyway, but my mama they wish her. If that Pikin drop out for school, that football school today, now waiting Monica wish for the boy. If the boy also succeeds, now waiting Monica still wish for her. Because I see no reason why a mother go come they announce the children. Just because of say you want pepper. Oh, you they do competition with. I no demagua, Monica, nekberon, ne fake life. Now, see what the right with papa. Now Bruce get this reality. Now you get her. I've already confirmed that. Now you get her. Don't decide. Now, see, let's continue the reading, guys. It said the 18-year-old striker joined the club scholarship program last January and has been impressed across both the NEF U18 and U20 squad on a regular basis over the last year. Hey, baby, see better big lie. If pikin where they no recognize anywhere, they call him striker. Hey, salo boy. A Facebook ura. Ya wali very loud because we had to boom one. Person wey be say don't they play ball since last year can't reach today. Now only once they say it's use mistake by mistake they score to go. Aguate is striker ne. Even real striker we could it show just now with their name. They even write and put say they are professional strikers. And you have Monica Rewa. But according to their fake life write-up now to paper presenters, he said the 18-year-old striker, meaning Quirita was not wrong when he talked the dates where they born that J-boy. Now 2007, they reborn her. He's 18 years old. Quirita no lie. Monica no even get anything to the boy. If not maybe she not get anything to even talk about video where Quirita do. Because everything Quirita said is the bitter truth and nothing but the truth. Eh? Monica, how your pikin wey just knew where they your new welcome now as apprentice. It just be like now when we say person they learn hairdresser work. You need to write agreements before your mother go fit teach you work. So because of say Monica, your pikin, they just accept them now. Okay. You are free to learn how to play ball here. They will first train her for 4 years, 5 years, 7 years. Before they will finally they add and join team where they will go they play ball for different places. You said all they call her striker. He said the 18-year striker, fake life for Ogbuwa. You know see and I say this fake life side now it don't go. Because anything you talk about this, you are your son football now. Who go even come looking for your man, that person not get sense. That app now I don't already download. App where we go take the check everything. With the check and not me say we wish the pikin bad. No, for you to bring your own son come out for media, come share down for public. It don't say when you define what you want to do that J-boy, Monica. It don't say when you define what you want to do that J-boy. People they call that boy today say no be papa bona. Now you still cause him. Now you still cause him. Okay, now this boy they struggle since for inside no be papa bona for years. Okay, time when this boy just stay stand up now. So okay, may he do better thing for your future. May he become a footballer who nag the social media ya and you know people when you they deal with say then go still they help you, they call that company, they report your son, they report you, or they can report you say even the master where get the company they'll start to the sagara. A pattern you when you insult your children, if his son will be footballer, be basketballer, where be say that one that they pay and block, that one that they sign out with thousand pass. Eh? If now maybe then I will drive to that place. I don't even need to call. I will use more to drive to that company where you're picking for the do school. So I'll go tell them say you be child bully. Say your picking being in that organization, and they will tarnish that organization name. And trust me, they will drop out. They will drop everything don't open. Both the sponsor now, both the other, both everything in age in way they use. The people want report now. It's very straight. They don't need to look for anything. Everything just there go to. Tomorrow now you go say na presenter be your problem. No, you are the problem of yourself. As me don't still old rich for this media, I cannot get anything where they important to me. I will come bring and come out for media. I feel mad. I smoke Morocco, I smoke Equalebo. Anything you see me bring out on media and something where we say, I don't care. If you like, stay. If you like, go. Now they bring come out for media. Yes. Things I do on media is all those I don't care. Even the time when me carry cloth come out, they say, when I bring and come out for media, my people, they nearly buy me. They nearly buy me. Oh, ordinary cloth. Oh, when I also they say those summer dress, why they say that I've been at the jewelry so where you decide they don't tell now what I pass through for that one. And I make boa that jewelry so the whole world here. So I was forced to pack and take sausage, dash somebody before I could feel the breathe. I was like, money when that like I don't understand. Person where they Euro for many years. You come to tell me say money where not even like I not get you. Not be 5,000, not be 10,000, not be 20,000. You go to call me because of a waiting. So to person who willingly say won't dash me, but because they present as sin, they backstab me. All my friends betray me. All of them go sit down there. They go meet the woman. Wait till I do. Wait till I not talk. They go the life for there. They go the life for there. That woman was the last time I thought say anything why they benefit from. I cannot post it on media. Because even person where you not think say go stab you for back, now you go carry back to us, say, take tear your back for you. All my own was, me even they say, okay, I they appeal because that's one thing about me. If I they eat or I they gain from something, I must, if you deal around me, I must introduce you. I must show you way. It will be like one time now, where you get one this thing where I can't advertise one time my people about you get one app like that. If you put money, the money go increase, you know. I put a lot of people. I make that announcement online. I put a lot of people. My people. Not be say maybe I won't collect their money. I want shop their money. I do. I say yes, it benefits me. I collect that money. I wanted to try to also reach out to other people. That's my kind of person. I was having about 40 members. For that, my own personal chat. I was having 40 members. Do you know that? Immediately, I bring that thing come out for this social media. Immediately, I announce that thing for this Edo cyberspace. I don't even know how far. People, and look when I get, out of that 40-something people, about 40 don't they collect. Because my area people join, even some of my sisters, I put them, they cash out. People cash out well before that thing knock. As I don't talk for social media like this, that thing knock. It was remaining about, I think, 3 people, they just new enter. Is it 3? Yes, I think 3 people. That 3 people, so they just new enter. It never quick, they collect. That thing knock. Do you know what I did? Money will be say, I no shop. I no smeller. I was forced to refund those people money. I was forced. Not be say even forced. Because I just said they say, if you know, as they other, I said, no problem. Send me your account. I'll refund your money. Only one person. Now I no refund money give. Now Queen fans. And she always they watch me. She said, Queen, no, I know if you after the money, forget about me because shit do happen. I know say not be your fault. But even that 3 people, nobody say they ask me, oh, nobody say they tell me, say, Queen, bring that money or you bring my money or you bring my money. No. But I just look and say, now they had their money, you understand? They bring and come and someone, I think one enter with 3 hands. Yeah, I think 300, is it 300 euro? I bet 300, yeah, 300 euro. The other one, I think the other one, be like 150 euro or something like that. Don't they forget because just it. I use my own personal money, pay them back. I just tell the woman, say, Mama, don't worry. So they like this, I'll give you your money. Maybe some feel they fear, say, oh, they'll come, they panic, say, oh, a queen, they don't know, say, me, I don't even be like that. And since that day, they come here and those people see be like family. I refund their money, only one person. Next time, say, Queen, forget about that thing. Thanks for joining, Mama Sign on my server. Thanks for joining, my lady. Say, Queen, forget, I know it's not your fault. I pay all those money, all those people back, I refund them. Money will not shop. If I shop that money, I die by motor accident. I no shop, but I pay. Why that thing cast? Because I brought it online. As Zebugbe, social media, my people. As Zebugbe. All those things will just happen. I was like, what? This thing, I thought they do this thing for almost 8 months. No story. Why now? Plus that woman, oh, that my ex-mom, oh, constantly happen. Clothes, when I see they say, that one, oh, can't happen. Now I decide, say, I not go anything. Even though I do marriage, I will not post it on social media. Even though I get belly bone safe, except say, maybe you see me walk out for road, I wear white gown, they do marriage, you come video me, go post them. Or you see me carry belly way long, at the dada they go, you come see me, you snap me, you go post them. That one are your own. If I want to explain, if I don't explain, I'll leave you, maybe post them. Carry that one, they go, say, me open this, my mouth talk. I will never try it. Now Monica now go just sit down comfortably. They announce a song. This one where she already announced the song. Now the song is not going anywhere. Not be who tell the truth be bad person. The song is not going anywhere. Because as people don't know everything, all the information, everything, they call that company, they will start to the report. And Monica don't they do this boy something. My lady say, those cyberspace be the center of witchcraft for this reason. Yes, so as you see them, so we ask. Now they be witch. If you not get witch, not follow them, go they do I buy my motor cash. I buy my wheelbarrow cash. I buy my this cash. Since then, I can't live. If you notice me, I live quiet life. People only see how they shine. People see how they flex. People see how they do shopping. Classic shopping, not be shopping of a 2 naira 2. Meanwhile, we can't 2K go shop. I go collect. Even me, I don't post it. I know they post them. They will go the money for the same money. I just say on Facebook they do. They don't know where my income for the come. They don't know. But if not before, based on good mind, I say, oh, come on, it happen for you. Come on, that. Nah. I know they do again. I know people when I they pick. If something like that. Because me, once I believe for this, I say, this life now turn by turn. Sometimes things feel just okay for my side. I would like to share with people. Say, okay, take. Or if business, just the one say, okay, you'll get small. I'll involve you. Say, okay, see. Now some people still they involve me. Say, Queen, do this thing, do like this. Not be full presenter. So people will not be present. People will be say they know me. My own homies. People will know for ground like. Now they get me. After what I pass through, and now what did you do cyberspace? Even the one where you go help self back, you will carry a class like this, you won't remove your head. The rubber slippers where you wear, they go wear Nike shoe for Lego. That Nike shoe where they wear so, they not go know the value, they don't need that. You when you wear your rubber slippers, you and your rubber slippers face off the money, now their eye go day. That's a do cyberspace for you. So guys, let's read further for Monica with her children fake life. He said, under a month later, Ajala was given his second senior appearance in the first round of the Bet MC Lane Cup against whatever championship. Side H and W Weathers. Ajala once again grabbed his opportunity with both hands, scoring both goals in a 2-1. That is a 2-. That is a they scored 2. The other people score 1. Which na lie. Only one match. Now he pikin don't score. Only one single match. Now he don't score. Since we did the company. Since when Monica pikin did the company, only one, so now he don't score 2 match. 2 goals. Not before 2 match. And now only that 1 match be the only match where he self don't play. And that match not be professional match. Now just gather children where they streets. So God, as they say green ass, red ass. Now so before they can finally say they want to take her now as a student. Let's read further. He said Ajala's most recent senior appearance saw him make his sport direct. Alright. He said debut back in February, coming off the bench to play 35 minutes in the 2-0 defeated at Shamrock Park. Ha! Monica with your husband, they lie. Una they lie. Guys, I know they understand what I just they try to understand that the way I tell they read them because I know all this their UK area, I don't know all these some words where they use so you be like football words. I don't know. You understand? Now, first just I said that he became fair play ball. He scored 2. The other party scored 1. So it can't be 2-1. Secondly, 30 minutes match. They became scored 2-0 to defeat Shamrock Park. Okay? Now more read further. Speaking on his diligence at Ambrose signing a professional contract at the club. Head of scholarship, Kent O'Hara said, since joining last January, Ambrose has shown his quality both on and off the pitch. He is willing to learn and continually trying to improve, and I have no doubt that he will go on to have a successful career. It's a proud moment for him and his family. Ambrose will be aware that there is plenty of hard work ahead of him, but I can't wait to see how he continue to develop under Naita and the rest of the senior coaching team. Pikin never even reach senior. He never even reach senior. Pikin never reach senior. Our tier is senior. Pikin where they want you saga take pursue come out for there just now. Pikin where they will use saga remove from there. Somebody say, why Ekobete be like this? Ekobete and Abu say, no say. Then they distract the little boy, useless parent, long. Now, free sign, they sign the pikin for school. Make when they go school. Monica say money where they pay. If una go koti, I know say some bloggers say, we know they see comments. Yeah, I'm not seeing comments, guys. I know even they see comments. You understand? If I know say bloggers will go back and cut video where Monica don't do where they talk about this pikin football. If una go cut those video, if una go back and cut those video where Monica don't they talk about this pikin ball, and can't look waiting the company right. Don't look at the real truth. Go and search that company by yourself. May you see the real truth of where they go. You flag or the page Monica for outside. For all the lies that she like. Even me, I saw it with my koro. I said, Monica say money where that company give her just to sign the boy. He say with her beg, they even need that beg. Say because all that company they drag her son. Me Kofi say, now so that they drag the Osimhen. You know? Now so that they drag the Osimhen. You know say football team now. Chelsea go say one buyer. Nene go say one buyer. Don't say one. Because now so that they drag. Me no even know say na night pikin. Monica. Wait go take for your body if you talk truth. Your second where you they follow run race now we say they say na today be your birthday. Where you they follow run race now we make you go they post your pikin where we say he birthday na January where you go they post and say now today be birthday just to snatch somebody else celebration, just to snatch somebody else smile, just to snatch somebody else happiness. You see why you no go ever smile, smile because your own smile you leave the time when you take smile your own, come they smile other people own. Where be the fake smile where they your face will make your face wrinkle, then I make you. Somebody say, the observer, thanks for joining. The observer say, Queen, go, learn FC scholarship. Now the training site be that. Okay, now the training site be that. Just expose her. It just started. Just now, I watched Kurita video. I watch it. Now everybody don't know say na JJ now. What did Monica want to tell us again? Monica don't they write congratulations. They don't post that pikin poster. I have myself I can say Monica get loco. Pikin don't they play ball like Osimhen. I can say Monica will be useless person like this. Pikin now don't they play ball like Osimhen. They don't pay like 70,000 euro first to start. No, they don't buy like Chelsea. As Chelsea they buy as match. What do they call them? Is it Manchester? As Manchester they buy player. They don't buy the boy. Monica say money where they take sign and not be small money. I don't even know say Pikin are your small apprentice. Ask me if they yes, if I decide to say I want to learn any work, I'll go meet it alone. They'll go register me. Then I'll come and say congratulations. Say I'm not a enemy professional enemy work where I never even learn. I never even start now. Monica Pikin never even start to the learn now. Now just yesterday they receive her for the comments. Okay, you feel they come here, they learn how to play ball. Monica not letting a year word. She know they look at second. Your second get 3 boys. You think say those are 3 boys, they know they do anything for life. You think say those 3 they don't get any occupation, they don't get any school where they go, they don't get anything. Now only your own get something. The guests where they that they now so just here and answer those ones. You know what by the blah now what came out and so wait you now they celebrate. We don't know they bring one paper come out. They block and here, they say they celebrate something. We will celebrate your magia time in Managon. It's an normal student where just start. Yes now. Apprenticeship. Oh my God, Monica. I just tired. She called the right congratulations. Even the day where they rob, he can't pour powder for her head for that video where me they talk about. So she can't pour powder for her head. Say, whether they know how much they give her. When people they talk about God na something. Say blessing where God don't bless her. He no fit talk. Even this is Baba where they so he know how much the football team take sign her. Thousand. Me when they play for them. I got the look and say, no, maybe go soon buy another house because they don't use money side picky like Osimhen. And then even know say they never even recognize the pikin for the team safe. And Bruce now where they come volunteer to go there and arrange share for where they play ball. So if those children play ball finish, and Bruce now will go there and arrange the share, the clean things, wait till you know bear way here see what gonna not be small thing. The one way they vex me for Monica, because me know say as people don't already know where they go on now, they are going to call that company. In Italy, we will data in Italy with they speak. People where they German na Germans they speak, yeah. So that is they get German tongue. People where they UK all those America, they know how to speak all those. You know, hello, I'm talking to enemy scholarship. Okay, do you know you just employ one boy, Bruce Ajala? He's a terrorist. You know, his mother is a terrorist. That video where Monica Yotto say go bring terrorists come Nigeria, they'll just send her go give her say she's a member of a group of terrorists. Now Martin talk and say one bring terrorism to Nigeria. Made that footballer, made them know say in Peking they bring terrorism, they come their feet. A terrorism or Mudena. The main reason, Monica, I think is at this point of your life, you need to quit saga and shut up for your own good, and especially at this point of your life, because you get a lot of things nowadays to lose. Yes, you get a lot of things now to lose. The country where you did, now English speaking country. Now English speaking country, now you did. It's very easy to report. Before you go from where you did, come report me for Italy. You first go Italian school for like at least 2 years. So that you will fit talk. Say now so she lie just full echo. Yes, now Mama Gloria. I fear no fear Monica. Now today, I feel no say Monica na liar. But today, I caught card for her. I will bloggers of anyway over. And you post again. It's their fake life. You when they live real life, they not go let people see you. This is what Monica have been doing for years. Okay, which one can be this solid or Baba birthday where we say she knows say a picking birthday na January. Now ex friend they do birthday today. Or Magio ni to not celebrate a birthday again. Instead, she come by they say the company can post his song and say now today be birthday. So you won't tell us now say the company don't know your picking birthday. Now they write time for there. Now they write time for their app or their site. Monica, they shame for you. The reason you change your picking name because no be Ambrose born that boy. J-boy know the answer Ambrose Sonny. Yes, that is why you are not proud because everybody know Ajala. Even though you know what made the coin, you for even put another name. When we say picking go the answer is papa name. Everything where they throw away for this world. Now money can have the day. Emi yamagi filokwa. Obe Monica o jega nini na miewoko. Anini na miewoko. Who would have thought that picking we person bongo kon they use the papa name? Monica, you shame enter us. Today not be your picking birthday. Me una de get shame. Person where they do birthday today may see road. You don't want to see other people grow. That is why you are stuck in one place. Agbomama we. La one ge we amu we. E bloblo e buewagun. Ni smart you go because e bloblo ship for market. You go type bloblo everywhere. You know the shame. Things where you they do me not even do one. I don't fit and I don't pray may God let me learn all those things. Unyi we na ya meet up in Ivayawu. Unyi we no guya, unyi musaka ne dan no gwe. Igbo vo igbo e dineni no wo. Tell we tell about a video now. But wo Wazua. Who you they run race with? Them no know them who send you. Now today you enter Europe. Talk less or say you want impress person. You know the shame. Now Vasabi you do. Now you lose. Now you take lose passport for Netherlands. This same of Vasabi where they do so. Now you do for Netherlands where they lose passport. They never give you passport. You know they share chat. They tell everybody your passport, easy. 5 family with passport, 5 family with passport. Last we no see and say even green passport you never get. When your shame go take, when you take tired to disgrace yourself. Now when you they do know. Me I not fit go market go buy passport. I fit. Even she the seller, Amazon the seller fake passport. The brain when you go say Italo, the right put passport. Actually, even though you put your picture, no, they get where they take open. As they take they put that their fake one, they'll go stand for back, but by the open and they show you say, see my passport. I can do it. I said no. I did live real life. Real life. You know, I don't anybody no pressure me. You make these people children lose passports. Now you want me to still pursue this your son now for football match, for football feed. You want make them see pursue your pikin for football field, and anything we make stay don't enter that your pikin body for one football company. It go round because it be like association. It be like association. The company wey wants to drop her, they go still state the reason why they drop her. Others no go be accept them because they go still see the reason why the former company fed drop her. You want bafuka that pikin. They will tell you the truth of your life. You say that they jealous you. You be person where they jealous. Open your pot, make a count how many meat they say. What is your body where they jealous? I been a house where you they too fine. Nancy where you they do ask girl follow. You know they see Nancy Palo. Nancy Palo be like your full house. People never even jealous Nancy finish. Now you where be say person they sleep. What girl go they fall down from up for your house? So mommy what they you paint your wire and why say me everywhere they white. God forbid. Aragmara say, don't be me how you What say less? Picking life no let you build. You make those children lose passport. Now you want to pursue this one for footballer. The other girl that then an husband has, they forgo pursue and come back. Husband house. Now they forgo pursue and come back. Now only your children I see say that they use different name. The reason why you know they post their name. The son now they use Abu Sajala. The girl when you bring come that one they use Mrs. Okpokpogiri. Yes, so my lady, your mama Gloria, I know the shame for her. I know the verse for her matter again. I shame I can't the shame for her. Her daughter way day. Now I bring this thing come out that they driving last be whatever. They put Mrs. Popogri. Put. Now Mrs. Popogri, you give your picking. If you even that driving last when people bring that day. If you look at the ND, no say Ajala na LA na end down. If you look the ND of that driving license, you look that son, where son in the day, you go see say that name where they not be Ajala. You will see and say that name is not Ajala. Now the so-called husband will go force that pikin go give. Child marriage. Now Monica they nothing we know everything where they pursue for this whole wide world. Now Monica had the day. If a mother like Monica can give her daughter when they reach 19 or 18 years old for marriage, just to secure say the pikin go get passport through there, that's a nonsense. For pikin where they born for Europe. For pikin where they born for Europe. She turned those children to children where they say they no go fit enter, or anytime where they enter country where they for born them, they'll be like visitor. Their whole country. Ask me then why they talk say, I be proud Edo pikin. Yes, Edo is my state. I'm from Nigeria, my birth certificate are there. Make Monica conscious. I pikin birth certificate. He get where go reach. Netherlands go cancel. They will don't even cancel them come up for system. Say, this kind of people fair pass here or they fair branch here. Monica children no fit go Netherlands now go use her na chest as UK children they do for Italy. UK children where they say they're born for Italy here. Their parents carry they go UK they school. If they come now once they say this begin na UK for the come. Yo me ni Hazel the streets. If they made Italy finished, if they made Italy today for road, if you see them, police no they do anything. Even though they fight, police no they do anything. If you control them, now UK citizen, they not get anything to talk about. They'll leave there. So family they don't do anything too strong. They'll leave there. Because why? They be UK citizen. But Monica she they not fit go any country now go do gay. If they try. I been at the Talo citizens where they side. Everybody know those ones. Any Ahmed the real vision here go where now you tell us hey, we borrow my balance. You don't get anything what you want to do. The way Monica take force her pikin give man, her daughter so force and give man because of passport. You know the happen for Italy. Since I did this Italy, I never see any Edo woman where be say born citizen. You say you force a pikin give husband because of passport. Why? Once that pikin they knock 18 years, they don't go costura or they don't go costura. They don't go apply for that. Before even that, they don't apply. The passport, you don't go, they give a boa. You draw that pikin go back. Now they force them for marriage. You will not fit train pikin where. You where your children, no, you know fit train them. Where see stress where they carry pikin follow. See shame and disgrace. Footballer now when you go live and make so you live your life step by step. You want use life blind down. Huh? Small another boy go the shame now to go play ball. Because anything you play, any score ways for them, they must post them. Yes. You want your pikin no go change the rules of that company. If I'm Bruce like, may they watch the plate of the company. If he like, maybe say they arrange the share where that company, that will not concern anybody. Wait till go take you should talk the truth. Better still, don't even post it. Nobody send you. They jealous me, they jealous me. You know the jealous person. Today now you're picking birthday. And now you the jealous people. You see how God tell you to disgrace you today now. When many shame and disgrace you also when any Monica. You never see shame and disgrace now where it pass you. You're picking birthday in January because they jealous your friend, your ex-friend. You go they post your son. To know that you are a foolish woman, you will bring your children into your mess on a those cyberspace. Your life of nuisance, your useless and shallow life where you don't commit, where you don't live, you pack your innocent children. Come. Foolish woman, look your media. How many women of your mates, mothers, so they say they don't born the same time where they born, say that children don't. How many you don't say that they use their children to battle? Mumu, ashawo nini. Ashawo nini. When how many of your mates do not sit down? Look the whole presenter. How many they use their children do social media battle? Mumu ozu. Now you do for where you did. Agbomama we the Netherlands. Una ye Ghana must go yaremi. You go that Ghana must go from Alibaba where you take park load go UK. So much shame like this you don't get. Even if say maybe you go dey crazy, say you dey depressed, must you bring it to your children? See una fake life now. Is a striker. Is a this. Wait till they strike. Tomorrow night, if people start to report that Pikina drop and there, you'll say that they jealous you. But you forget that you have also do it to other women. Go see Mama B children that day now. Mama B grandchildren that day. Now you and your followers, your lovers go they pack comments. Una go they pack they come outside. They put petition for their head. So if Mama B now can also go this company now where you're picking the play ball now. Can't go tell they say with him immediate alacrity have been alacrity. Make them drop her from this school. Shebi you go talk say Mama B na wish. Shebi you go say Mama B na wish. But now this Facebook, all of us did that the way you go they carry down our children. They give your bloggers plus you. Una go they say make they petition them, make they report them, make they do their Facebook, make they do something. So what they buy, they carry that petition now. Carry and face this your picking school. Make they the same petition direct email to the school. Make they go they load you there with evidence. Plus your children. How Netherlands they pursue a criminal case? Eh? How criminal case they pursue na come for Netherlands? May they go they post and here. Shebi go say Mama B na bad person say that they jealous you. Ama yes na so bon yasi. You are too wicked and evil. That is why good things don't they happen to you. When you they do, you feel say you be odunga, you be mumu. Your children now shebi they don't they grow now. They don't they come outside now. They don't they need people. They don't they need help. They don't they try to get work. They don't they try to. You see and say your nyash go continue to open. Even the guests where they say, no get near you want hide there. Where they go, they work, they will see cash them. They will see bring their command. Now UK now. Now UK, again, anywhere where they want work with black, no they. Black, they work for a company. They must they see the day. The price where you don't price down, you must pay all of them. Useless woman. Shall no get shit. Carry that rotty face, come and say, hey, they jealous me. They jealous in me. You decrease. Oh, won't be wait till about the way they jealous. Abu we sumu. Tell me one thing. Motor where you buy a fake. You bought a second hand bangolo motor. Here not see one, so you carry pad. You buy a new car. And this one and the same car will be say a lot of people get them for this media. Presenters, bloggers, analyzers, even friends where which are they get them for this media. When they see them. That car, so where you know they drive. So woman did this media always say now she they go work, they come back on a daily basis. She let you well, she never come up powder for neck before. Can't go the bio web God. Now your bad character, your feel say people they pursue you. But that's nobody send you. Which useless life where they live for them we want that person. Monica no yedo. Which useless life they live there. That life where they live na life. Na life that. Go see people party where una go. No be only una dey that party. Party where they invite the whole media for the party where they invite the whole presenter. You reach here, you buy can put for your head. Maybe like say na le una na they do the party for 1 year birthday, 1 year JPC, 1 year party. Na get that party. Igo na dem like lazy kudi warrior 1 year. Aba ye gbemma wa tell you wa vie kokoshu ya no pano gba kokoshu no na 90-story building on a vioyo because of low self-esteem. Because of low self-esteem. If you short, you short. Not be new thing say you short. You must not buy yourself because you are short. Embrace your height. Rock your height. Mumu oya vie with the bloody key oya vie your way. You get all your party. Or you say ba o mati igbe come by the last say the sick. Come by the last, you know, sick where they don't care about your needs and your way. Uno not just like you. Wa be ari have your people. Wa ga ari wa. Eke roba waga training this is how many months wa ya put ya to work. Egbe ya ira ya wa. Edegbe ya wa ro pa ba mavu. Unero ila yi wa weka. Wa weka. Eya eke roba vandalizing. Ede igbe awuyan ro pa mama. Una no see their face when they do video. Emi amene iwa la ye yagbe. That evening all of them were fine where they land. Una see their stamina for ground. Abe boy se ni ge tramadol go rin yami ne. Iyan la dia. Gbe mana me de te gbe gere me. Ya iteze gbe wa gbon. Why gute gbe wa na me ti agbe. Wo gbe fo ne. Ogugbe gbo we kokoshu. E ta ya le nu ya de mu gbo to. No ya de mu gbe ta to do wuye no we bedo oru. E ta ya le nu gbe nu fi nu ari o wa nu ya vie. Shago gbe lu wa gbon. Ya e no pa no rebe yan ara pioni. Iyan ara pioni. No wa ge. O ina wa bi agia o. Salobua. Wa jo wa na dia. Bwano iku no wa ibieka. Abi ko na watana 48, 49, 50. My lady say, don't make me vex. Carol, go enter this matter. Are they shame? They are shame. Somebody say, see the meaning of makeup. Now that one you see. Even me no look makeup. Una notice the jewelries, my people. A jewelries in any silo yegbe. Gold. Gold. That by way to have gold. Where you do those chain and chain when I say no be gold. And I want lape. Oh boy, ya na see. What are you guys doing to yourself? The man why baron resinana. What's going on with you guys? Dominion only wa make karatakba or jiku edie fon pa ya. No wo be na be jiku. Ave total koda fon wana. Agba sipe nwa ave tebu. Agba gist. Agba pike popcorn junu. E dominion reje verio. E dominion asiku o maru lelega wiku ni ya ne na miege. E boys ni ha ne ni wa be nwe kankan ni ne ke ni am ye. E ni do atie yo tie rebe kuna. E dominion ewe. Ogo mano yo mu mese o riviere yo. Ogo mano wi sunu mese o riviere yo. Kosi kuna mana tioma wa gbe to blata asa. He has not be viere yo na me viere yo no be somebody. As a mama 30 BGs. He has no bed yo. Go see video where they go see eye where they look as a mama. Egbe gbo na be moda fun le gbe. Viere yo na be moda fun le gbe. Viere yo. Ma we na ni say e ma uni e de saga we because they only saga we. Ya mi vita ma we. But ma uni saga we. Ma we na ni say we na wa moda fun we le gbe. Ogbe anu mo le gbe that is ma check errand. Ma check errand. A lot of things went wrong when I saw that man. Oh, azume mani. What video. Can't you see? Oh boy, baby, yeah. I was spitting for that man to say, we are not so far anyway. We both like, you know, be maga. Amabe mu waje atebu. Atebu work baga but now only you come present away they not put for atebu for there. Yeah, mamu we atebu. They don't even hear you self. Say maybe MC go still call your name, maybe they hear you. Who wait why are we prepared there for there? Why are we prepared there? When mamu diani man notice work are we prepared there? You see how they snob you. A presenter si where you have na kwe atebu we gino to wa. Ku work order oga mother fun. We no one set in a video ni pa ya pa bo ina we ja pa una pupa. Ipa so. For what now? First time of you bringing your husband to public to introduce to the world, you were a snob. When you press a bagani, I'm having you don't know where we are. Video, now to away alone, self, you know, day. All the videos are there. Domino na wa video, one video bata before we can tell about where the more camera da Versace when uba. Me bata we video Versace no. Me we know Versace, me draw yo. But when the domino ya video, one get we sila na video na zoom we. Make na me screenshot. Oni wa ya dowa. Adio wa ya mama sonny, which people na going to intimidate na. If not because of say oh manonya party anyway, ima that is I no one just insult am. When maybe anybody is a presenter. A presenter will no man batata. Yeah, disgrace wa disgrace gbo wa be kuni we no deni disgrace wa. Wa na get gbo wa sila. Wa ma ti ho get gbo wa. Wa ha do pepe ma ya iku ya ne kunita. Go see where kunita go lady precious make birthday. Go see where kunita go invest. Go see where people they go party. Go see real genuine love. Wa ya ni ga re bedo bi adini wa temata ma wa. E medu wa dem ma. When wa ya get gbo wa all the videos are there. O wa ga ya o get gbo wa konyon sila. Salo boy na we ni na. Me ni boro egbe party we na. Ni yo ye birthday we ya. I'm here, but the only thing, truth is bitter. I really felt for Ivierio. Ivierio ma be feel ne be the next one ya gbina ye mi ogo. Ona ya gbina ye mi ogo, ona ya pack ise. O wa be so ansa be ba ihe wiku. Me mo understand Ivierio na. Ikunu wejo amamu we ya table. We no dress so gbe Versace yo we. The next thing u jabe pa so ansa be ba e. E mani mai mi ba we ya save ya drag de ba ya ye gbo drag de ba e. Muniya and the camera video we ya we ga Ivierio gbina ye ba e. O be so gbina ye ba ne. Ivierio gbina ye mi ogo. They can in package. Where is the class? I make a can wake me. I'm a woman beg on my way. Hey, bros, I beg, give me water. They party. Bros, I beg, give me water. Veni meje, deti me gari kuni. Veni watch when say, he le madwe don't be silly, he no sense dani. He be or he ba pretend. Veni watch what I make be me wage the setting where inya wa bokpa. The next thing wa bon is even if you want ni mi ayafi, Iwa gago ni waga ni man emani wa fi we yes yama de yama emi be guya se iwa gago ni ga ni iwa iladian ila moto ari wa mi ape ari wa ni se fu moto mi ana we video we pa bare o sabo mi la o ba ya o e ba me ye gba ku no pa no wa gbe owo ni no re benjo na wa disgrace o ti ma no kitali wa akian o ti ma no wa kitali akian e de ri gbori na do je papan yi commenta se gberun di bata de commenta si o si o ku bata o si o ni agba to ta no ga re no re benjo onyo ga ata we mi bata rugba we de wu wona nia we salu hu kwa wu wona na agbo ya na do vi owe ye etu inchi si no re itali pe o igele wa pa gbe igi bata ni bata ye gegege o ye bata na gba ya nyepo o ye bi bata na gba ya nyepo my people o ni gba ri onare birthday do vi o kan be bata ni bani wo energy e dede for that matter dede ave dede ni aye ki agwo go we overnight avec des deniers qui a shifté et tissé avec bien overnight. Il y a la lâché là où maman y a impress avec grandmothers, grandmothers. Il y en a si là lâché là où. Alléluia de ça va na rien. Yi. Ana wa tiema. Osato atebu. Felice atebu. Dorcas atebu. Ina ga e gbe ya TV eri. Ivu Ugo papa, Ugo atebu. Let's say, Queen, I for your man. Oh, because I know just want to offend the celebrant. They tell maybe we might only offend this. But when you are being and I know say ya do be party. Therefore, see no say yes. I come for it. Ugo na re atebu. If you are the woman la atebu. E o azamama 30 BG. Somebody say, Queenie, she don't wear that party for Torino. She don't wear that shoe. Go party for Torino. Ubere. Mon way. Percy, we arrange a bag for us. Go party. No, when she come the nag for video. No be this shirt I be one carry. I be one carry another shirt. No be this shoe I be one wear. I be one carry another shoe. No be this cloth I be one even wear. I be one carry another. I be one wear another shirt. Only one person when I see say yes, she do things all her body suburb, but there be only two. Now I be power with what they call her, Mama Melissa. Those people we get issue with. For that full party. Now let those people I know say yes, all those will not be better showstopper. You know, say when we react, but when they tell you one go form, say one go spray 1,000, they can't say make anybody not follow and spray. Me only she come a party will not be your own. Era we birthday, you we birthday. When I invite where I invite man, he get do a fee go kere de ma we get fee. I power fall out. I carry big money also come and now spray. Our sister we wear 17 inches shoe for like. He phone, she goes to that. The team pay her. Every now and then, because a video ni, you not need the video ni no post repeatedly. You understand the video ni your page na, ni your page post. I will yes, you get stop a show ni. Pala e pa wana ball from no, you go Zanzibar. Mama Melissa, you go boss ya. On your must say with no filter. The president, I know say with the panel they play, no beside the president. I just the call result according to what I see for that party. Not decide to support them for anything that they do. Outside that party, way my camera. Una they get me, people. All those was now the people when you call for party. And everything that Mama Melissa wear, it was good. Nice Sonia, shower, na wa lape shower, yenye. Shower. Mawe when mo pa no kwa yenye. Shower no kwa we me. My lady is excellent man say, Mama Melissa and God's power, na me see for that party. Yes, ma. Truth be told, we saw the video. Remember here, una see my updates now when I update almost around 1 B2. It was arrive to observe. The only thing I don't like now is that they fuck video. They fuck video big time. They fuck out big time. Video, the way why you want your before, but I tell you, if you best way they go party, if you carry your car, go put your drink inside your car. If you look and say maybe because say city where you do, or they say control day where all these fancy cups, so where they get cover, where they get straw. If na Gio, put her inside the as you wear, put line. Before you just they shayo your shayo. Where you like where you beg anybody face you, I will deal up like say you don't send anybody papa. Even your workers, people they clear for you. Don't say you all go somewhere. I can on your table. I can bill on your table. Even though they give food, you know want it. Who look yourself? They'll know say yo. Get the this one. They come up for where meet you know if you eat food. That's your journey, Mama Rita, the best analyzer. Yeah, the camera why you be bad or get small starty. And now I get small starty when I want me. Yeah, why you get small starty? You know what you want why you go to that. Why you can't kill it. I was like, a junkie shows in a can be very nothing. What are all these? Before power with Mama Melissa at that party, they don't shy you, they don't deal with. But when they know they take anything, now your small bottle water, you're the sipper. Till they calm your energy down. Already where they were. Even if you consider your eye, don't see the clear small. Do like say you won't go peace. Go outside, go take fresh air. Open your car again. Open your car, carry your cup, come out. Eyes they side, you know the mates. You still sipper. I wear a so no man can walk with her. You say you go party, I'll be bad or get small start. No, where the meat? Where the meat? Bring the meat now. Thanks for joining my lady. You say, be like say she go with her man. She go with her man. That man where she call the video. Na video guy be that. Na video guy na be that man so where she call the video. I just the pity for that man. I was like, wow, this man is not too. That is the man. They a little bit unkept. You understand? You know, say men where they work. I understand. Men where they work for Europe. Yeah, they very very. You get the way they say. But you as a woman, are you supposed to the man just hold 2 hands together. The man just be like person where they arrest for yourself. He hold 2 hands together. You know, if he move, the man just dead door. If you don't want to camera, no one ya. So people see no manifesto. Emi yao, still you know ragbadani o. If you don't want video, I was like, what is all this? Even the same video, no she not use camera face herself for 2 seconds. But she just focus on the man. Whether she want make the man girlfriends or the man get wife, make them know say he there with the man. I don't know. They not go her for item. They not call her. It was so disrespectful. If not me, only that thing I will saga them. I use my money, my time, everything to come honor you. Lace why I'm not supposed to have wear. She can't even wear Versace shoe, Coco shoe gold. Honor you with bayo. At the end, I'm not being here at table. That was a kind of passion. Nobody even recognized her. Even AC Papilo. When me want to say to send me did that party. I know say as AC Papilo see me like this. You guys say enemy ya go, no be joke. You guys say enemy ya go. As me also small show. Yeah, you know if you call they look and they you know even here now one say okay, special guest of honor, name from for where? Nothing like that. Even unshakable, be untouchable, they still hate that one. They hate that one. No, you know they hate untouchable. Untouchable was invited to white table, but she no go. Only why they were boost the page, you know why video legal. She went there to boost her page. And makeup was so terrible. I was just like, what is all this? And I say, people will know you. The worst part, presenters when did that party, they go 30. No one even say you hello or I or Alpha. All of they just the room for you go and change. Now, ya change. Yeah, why so some people was just classic. When I mean classic, they know how to organize themselves publicly. Why some of you who are no even your eyelash was fighting you, your makeup was fighting you, what was fighting you, a taste of drinking beer now, you people were passing through a lot. A particular she was ashamed of herself. The only thing you stand up go don't you I want me back with a video when I'm here. I want me back with a video when I'm here. I want me back with a video when I'm here. I was like, what's going on? What is all this? Is it that you don't wear compose the side or I don't get it? When maybe you can wear totally anything you need. I guess when do you need? What woman need do no. Here I'm the next person. I'm at woman your boy. I didn't I tell you I'm is there woman your boy? I'm all that people where the video they call the comment say if you don't start. You don't fight for us. You will be caterer. You will be caterer. You can't go dey fight for rice for party. Now you been a you. Waiting happen to Mama B and Monica for party. We want to repeat itself again yesterday. Then they tell Monica had to with Mama B view every table. We are tell what we vie nana. He don't come. Waiting say that they call. I say great Monica. I say Felicia too. He say Felicia too. So go. You know if you sabi spell. We are spelling now. Let me just take you out of here. I don't want you to enjoy this my show. Mom, not be you go tell me who fine, who not fine. Who tell you that name where you write here now, you want to give my popularity here. Where be everybody, even people where do party no say a 4 copy here, 4 copy ba. They no say now 4 copy, go 4 copy there. One more bad comment from you, I will block you. Direct. One more bad comment. Il est boy prison. I will only time I won't Felicia not talk boy, no ben here, you want to boy. Abu will be tag bina. You see fight for you. You say her dress not make sense. She was ashamed of herself. She was ashamed of herself. But the 4 copy they give her, it was a double exhaust. A double exhaust shame and disgrace. And then Vierio, eti saga we mother because they me when me buwa. We don't ya tafia le matema. They me only make buwa. Ekwe buwa wa muwa bana. Because I'm like, what is all this? Mature ladies. No bana wa ninye. No rebenjo oni ninye gbe. If you go look all the camera, inyenya wa na. Oni na wa ninye. If forget say Facebook, if you like talk for 7 room for that side, they will hear for you. Imwina na wa me. Aya wa tema, iya ti ate bu fune a. Maxima. Ama egbe na ga manu ni. Ogbale ate bu no ya le yi, on avie no ba ya we ki awe wa. Adiyen di nani ha. Edegbe eso paralyze wo we. Eso nene eso ma sati kian. Awa blanc sive do mwesu. A check wa eso banya eso gba yo ye bedi. No win kai kai o. Allegedly. Awu we kai we ka. I was so ashamed of myself. Yeah, you can the white short skirt, white short pinafore, white short pinafore, and I walking. And I was set. Via you can wear your dress by this time of the day. You won't wear skirt today, PNP. Where you don't know mama's dressing. Maybe the mama see your dress. Or they travel, see a lot of you have PN. Or skirt where they think about what else you are in by panty where we talk. I know you don't care about those things. Because when we behave somehow. Even when he did that my parlor, Mona go watch the video where video did that my parlor. Mona go and people should go and listen to the conversation. When you hear badge video, like argue, they were not happy at all. They were not happy. So tell somebody else and say, where are they? A training well abi. How can somebody be asking you? Or man beg away a training well because we are sweat anyhow. Man no perfume go man kwele show. Ya beg where you are stress out. See luggage bobo, u see ekbisa we be fin, u mo pa bi yeke. Just a 1 day party. Mwe luggage, mwe kbisa ubona, mwe no pa ubona, or for ya na igano we are not where to a training well lie abi a boss you lie. When you guys live here, ya la training ya se wana babana. Ya la they to organize a buwe. They say where you organize a smell where your own personal scent. When why they compose or when it was said that me I even see some people when they go that party they wear kokoshu. Party my they smell. Or make it dress simple. One big jeans, one small polo with slippers. The cross bag you will see a luggage if possible. Now maybe no bunwajo. Make people feel your scent, your smell, like smell good. Silena with my luggage bona. I'm a school bona. And I don't wear handbag. What's the difference between school bag and handbag? Handbag a head up below school. Asileya. Just 1 night party. Wa bere evil. Wa bere evil. Can just see the whole things. People go here see they talk. I watch video where one woman do to the laugh working me. A celebrant, you know why we are celebrant picture. You know when a celebrant we Jenny cannot jump pay. You know when the celebrant here. You know gallery asa. Koboko. You know bole celebrant be. Any kind celebrant they je perepe. All those Yoruba people we are here. Get what they call those Yoruba people. This all those any kind of sort of. A pence. My call am pence. A pence no ma soto. O wa tati wo toto we legis. Celebrant jo. I when the celebrant je popo ni na when the celebrant here. I was like people no feel live celebrate. A celebrant them no like ojo. Wa be give we give. When na gbe celebrant ri agbe wa no invite. Osa wa se oge. Mo we do sangani. Oga mo do ni ban ngo kiyan. Pe ni. Obi edita. Edita ge una many of una go there to prepare Edita. Some of una say una want prepare buy the muffin. But the way una take dress. Ona you na me go know that word of Germany o waje. Ne man ire Germany je. Ne man ire Germany je because all the doings, the settings, the dressing, the moving out and moving in, like I was just seeing strange faces with strange behavior character. Now I understand they can okay karade. I was just like, what is all this? Baba. The presenters, they don't even like their self. They don't even like their self. And let's help up. Yes, so Kunita you will see smile. Kunita go sit down 2 seconds. Imagine, Mama Rita. Is it ho? My people. So they tell and say, just with any. Mama, na me be that your fans. Mama, you don't know me, they follow you, they follow. Oh, mama radio. Wake do pa, mama mi ron pa no beta we hello eh. E mano wa fe to wa tota face video. Ina wa ya odan video. Video wa mo camera there, ya was use face. Even the other woman wey come for bejo. E mano ni wa be a video. E ni na wa see how gba na once you tell no say those people not be her fans. They don't even like her. Or you wa mo camera there, na wa excuse face. So na iba yo bo gwa wi an. How? Baba. Why you repent? Why you repent? If not, a shame at disgrace one. If not because I say people don't look and say me they not spoil that my party. Why so te was why ya sangia why boa when I want me wawa. Who go see dress nice, who go see dress well. I see what you go wear. You see dress nice, but once you are not like a button. Now I wait until they look married women. You wait until they press them. Now that one not like. Because I saw the video where you go they press married women. Or pienya or your body yakun. How will you? Are you crazy, Seth? Why will you do that? Man go leave your wife now come party. You go they watch the video, come see one small boy, they press his wife. I don't know how they see my one now they marry. Because the boy when they date, where they date my ass and all. If I even too greet person, like if I even they walk up and greet person, good afternoon, my teeth your show. Only my teeth where your show like unya konda and then so they start. You know they shine teeth they give her. Now small the men go they touch your waist, they touch your nyash, lala. I said, now greet her. Why you go put face like that? Why you go they laugh? Good afternoon, knowledge. Why you go laugh? Imagine say, maybe now meet the yoke on the press. You just depress me like that. You depress me. God. Where would they say husband when they marry? Because I dey imagine say how not they see husband when they marry? Married woman who go na wa pienya. Oh no wa pienya everywhere. You carry you go they kiss this one for you go they oh viera visuel e ki amantion o se wa je Nigeria wa ge gbo awala yo megbere mais is that thing that one they not even talk. If you ever greet me for road say maybe you be boy I the waka you just see me you greet me you first stop you say you know before I say no I go say why could they greet you like that like. So they might say, I can't even see married down, who drown the on his own. Maybe when my waru kunina agege go carry comitos. Agege or mude. Wana wadodo. Wana wadikuna. Ke no we bede ke wana ivato. Dadore can rescue when la jan wiku. I just they look there and say he and you go that